Hello everyone, my name is Georgie, a project manager here at Bespoke. And recently it was International Women's Day, a day to celebrate the achievements of women and raise awareness about gender equality. In honour of this day, I'm going to take you through a Power BI report that highlights the progress and challenges of women around the world. We start with the home or landing page of the report, which contains 3 buttons that take you to different pages. The first button, Total ICT Specialists, takes us to a report page that analyses both the number of female and male ICT specialists in Europe in unit of thousands. Over the course of 2014 to 2021, we can see the total number of ICT specialists here at the top, and the percentage of these that were female alongside. Looking at the shape map, Germany stands out. The colour gradient is a representation of the total number of ICT specialists. So this tells us that Germany have had the highest number of ICT specialists in Europe during this period, which can also be seen when looking at the horizontal bar chart on the right, where we can also see the split between male and female specialists in these countries. If we wish to look at these figures over time, hovering on a country on the map shows a line chart. For example, the United Kingdom, where we can see the number of specialists has been steadily increasing since 2011. A common theme throughout the pages is the left-hand menu and filters. We can use the filter drop-downs to filter for a specific country at any point, and also the years. We can select more or all. Then the menu can take us back to our home page or the remaining 2 pages. So we will go to the next page, Female ICT. We have a similar layout on this page, showing our totals up at the top, and so total females, and our menu filters down the left. The first chart on this page is a scatter chart of the female ICT specialists versus the percentage of the population that represents. Hovering over a country shows us this percentage, how it's changed over time. And we can use this play axis on the bottom to see how the relationship between the absolute value and percentage has changed over the years. On the right, we have the average female ICT specialists in Europe by year, where we can see a dip from the 2010 to the 2011, since the pre-data of 2011 considered both occupations and skills, whereas the data from 2011 considers occupation only. Then below we have a breakdown of these numbers in a tabular format, as well as a smart narrative which extracts key pieces of analysis from the page, such as the year 2007 is the highest percentage of female ICT throughout the years with a percentage of 23.14%. The final page, data sources. We have dedicated data sources used and any extra information the end user will find helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video.